Hello everybody, welcome to Nasus Wellbeing Mantras. In this video, I'm going to be talking about sun sneezing or PSR. PSR means photic sneeze reflex. Basically what this is when you start sneezing whenever you go into an area with a lot of light or you're looking at the sun or something. This can be anywhere from 1 to 10 sneezes. It is also hereditary and it is genetic. It is autosomal dominant, which means that as long as one of your parents have it, you can get it. Now, this nobody exactly knows how it works or why people have it, but it's believed that it's because of the trigeminal nerve system that connects all of your brain. I mean, all of your face. It People think that it's caused by the eye, the area that connects to the eye having too much stimuli, which makes the nose create some stimuli, and yeah, that's why people start sneezing when they're in a lot of light. And bye.